So this is my first experience with a vacuum cleaner mop. So it's a combination vacuum cleaner mop. It's so easy to use and so light. It has a foam roller on the bottom, which does all the mopping for you. And hard, difficult areas on the floor only take a few passes. The water container lasts for about 20 minutes. Our entire huge living room, kitchen, and front walkway, we only used 2 little containers worth. This thing is absolutely worth the money. I love this thing. We have bare floors here and we have pets, and you can see how well it really takes care of the muddy dog prints and things like that, and the heavy walkway and the spills in the kitchen. The dirt and grime are caught in the top and this little shelf thing with the holes in it, and the water is caught down below. You can see how well this works with muddy dog prints and food spilled all over the floor. This thing is really great. Check out how well it does in just a couple passes for these things that have been there for quite a while. This thing really rocks. We definitely recommend this thing. And also, it's a self-cleaner. It's actually a very quiet machine. It sounds a little louder in this video, but it's a very quiet machine. You can even do this if you have babies sleeping. This thing is really nice. It's not loud at all. It's very compact. And here we go with the self-cleaning. You just put it on the stand, give it a fresh little tank of water at the top, and turn it on. You turn it on by the handle, and it self-cleans. When it's finished cleaning, it will flash, the blue light will flash on and off, letting you know that it's charging. But this is amazing. Look, it cleans itself. This thing is really great. If you haven't got one of these, you need to. And you cannot beat it for the price.